Alexia Mar. Me look one children cape on the board. Me I look too lion or something. Me not sit with so much chow, no. Me not pretty much back keep my party. When I go now, me no want nobody over here. I thought me love my man. I'm there my party. Me and me like a party. Go recharge shot, but nasty to for recharge the pussy and come give me. And I find that him there for like decades. Me not ease him up, you know. Track me I look too galaxy. Yeah, not party I have to keep tonight. Trad party I have to keep tonight, poor tap. Well, me I look something. Me get two little pussy out of there. I can come send me a lion. Poor tap, strat. We I look something. Power tap strat. Fabulous JJ Johnny Dan chat. We look some galaxy. Power tap. We look 100K tap. You mad? I know me a long time or.
Tiffy and your pussy muffy mouth. Come 3 times just to get enough. Me tap hard on your life when you get enough. Me love you, love you, love you, love, love you, love you, love. Me love you, love you, love you, love, love you, love you, love. No, baby, with that cocky eye. Me slap up your body die. Do whatever make you happy, aye. Lift up and make cocky till you slappy, aye. No, baby, with that cocky eye. Now I'm not pride, but you want me die.
To the life to Toto.
You bring joy in my life. Me tell everybody say you me lover. Sucking body no make you a aura.
Send the pussy. Come on, extra time big. Come on, friend, me look 5 pussy to the party. Come on, friend.
Give me the pussy and me when me answer.
Debbie, I look 5 more posts and ground me I go. Yeah, but we have 5 more posts for that party. And 6 posts we are mascot. One in her hand, me big. Well, look 4 more posts. We have started the party, man. Friends, send a post me go on 3 months and play with the finally. Come on, man.
Do whatever make you happy, eyes. Pick up and make a kid till you slappy, eyes.
Try to go focus. Well, look 4 more pussy go around.
Now I'm not pride, but you want me die. When you did there, me lie.
Try to look 4 more posts.
My pussy, girl, calm down yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me hard to some
weird.
Me and mention, tell you say your pussy big, girl, your pussy tight and good. Ready? I know me buy your body every day. Your pussy tight and good, yeah. Baby, talk up, girl, wine for me. Me have plans for your tight for me. Make you do everything while you tight to me. Ride me like a bike for me.
So cut this.
Hey, believe me. Push it up and make you feel it. Bend over, receive me. Me alone make she come to speed it. Freaky that I'm my type. Receive them, I like.
But I had. Hey, me I look 4 posts. Chat, me I look 4 posts.
Open up inside of the we have to put up a side of the get out tag get everything for real and no break. I have to deal with the genie and money. Fuck like it has pride. She wanna fuck it I be. Can't go back a reach the guy make her life face, yeah. Fuck up and down.
That look money gone. It's something I do not know.
Be selfie, not fine. Push them down that side and that's fine. Man, get out tag.
Try focus.
Open up inside of the we have to put up a side of the structs. Get out tag up now. Flip us inside of the gun. Get everything for real and no break. I have to deal with the genie.
Trot. Me I look 4 more posts. While I had no party now, so someone go on and go. Me now. Hey! Bestie. Enter the party. I pay party. Chad. So my face, me still let me a puss, me still let me one puss. Come here, go back on the settee. Oh. Me I look some puss. Me I look 4 more puss. The party can't start. I'm gonna get 4 puss, you mad? 4 more puss up on the settee, me I go. So we can go up on my head top tonight. Sexy lady send 3 Galaxy put something. Trad put something that look 30K. Me not to love to get the 30K. Now wine for free, me is tired. Trad me look 30K, me look 5, 6 posts. 6 women. Like a black nigga when them Carmelita. You come over here too much. You not send gift to man. Go on, me no want over here move every day no blood. You not get no free entertainment. Lift up out of my blood clot chat. Phone no batch too big for come slump and get every night today in the try for send 2 gift. Your batch too big for sliding. I mean I see how I put. Lift up out of my chat. And then the work that me I do. Lift up. I look for someone and black out of my chat. Move. Your batch too big for selling us every day. You mad? Girl put them no one so slide in at this. Go find another page watch my pan. Every day you come with a big 38 but you not put it even a Galaxy. Lift out of this. One with them wine yo. I don't want over here. I'm a team me a wine for. Chat me look 6 plus 30K. And we look at look 30 Galaxy will take it. No free me and I'm like no free up on the couch. Me I go back. Me get on me not blood clot or nothing. Work me there. Have a look at anywhere that way. That's a 1 Galaxy. We want 29 Galaxy. The girl who can't afford the post put a Galaxy. Who can't afford the post put a wheel. Well look, no free entertainment. No mad, my mascot. No free entertainment. One not ready, no make me know. Go recharge. For you say Toto can't put a post. You must know say God bless blood clot America. My mascot. But you see my bestie can throw one post. God bless America. Don't move bestie entertainment. Me now at 30K more. Me look 6 more posts at 29 Galaxy. I mean now do nothing. Me can't call my bestie and strip take off my clothes and wine for him. Make him laugh. Me a mascot. Me now do no 1.6 get a free entertainment yes so. No 1.6. Say excuse me, no 1.6 got a free entertainment. You're mad. You gotta have to choke them diamonds to go out and sell them. Man, no 1.6K. What a wow, what them a chat me. Yeah. Chat, so we get 7 out of 20. We get 7 out of 31, 23 more diamond. No free wow, what them a chat me. Too much girl song for me. You mad? 30K we are look at 123 more when I start no ball roll. Make sure like have the music. No free entertainment. What I do? We are look some posts. A girl can show 2 posts. The team and go on when I play the match. Matthew. What we are do? Power tap live when I reach 100K likes yet. When I reach 100K likes at Power tap live, somebody must pass through. We are look 23 more K for start the party. One line I will go on the arm. One line I will go on the arm. We can't go on the dog something. We want a line to go on the dog something. We want a line to go on the dog something. We are look 23 more Galaxy. Because Richard want 10 and 2 great man. I would have a dirty people here. Alright, we want 22 more Galaxy.
Hi, good night.
It's the when you request me decline it, me not play no match.
No, I don't match me a play. I don't
know
match
why
me
you're
a
not
play.
for your work me there. Me know you call to me night.
Listen,
But I disturb my work.
Listen up.
Listen to what here. Mala, come here, Mala. It's a big one name of just now. Mala, come here, Mala. Mala, beg, reach up that entertainment, bigger something. No one to disturb me, them work, you know. Try me, I look 22 more kinds. I'm gonna lie, I'm gone on the settee. Focus. So, no, sir. The make tell me, I'll bring my lesson and nothing. F20. 10 months already. Yeah. Me now wine until me reach 3. Me now start down till me reach 340. 10 months already. It's satisfied we don't make it. Me did don't go up on my couch already. Me now dance until me reach 340. Yeah. You take me for Papa Show. When already no go over, no favor go to the most. I want to come here so and tell me for Papa Show. Me Papa Show. Me now dance until me reach 340. Track combo some galaxy. Throw one push, throw one way, throw two Interstellar. At 1.6K, everybody no broke us allow not tell me. You know I'm going bad for you can't laugh. It not go work. Tomorrow morning me paying up. Tomorrow morning me paying up. Can't service my money. Cause me entertain and can't get none. Yeah, mascot. Who want Galaxy money gun and a donut. Now look on them toto. What we are doing here so? Well, I'm not sure nothing. But that's where the party done. Toto warmer. Might as well the party done. Toto warmer. Oh, your best right? I'm going to drink my liquor. No, I'm not stop. I'm not wine until I say 340 on the board. Too much I wanted the 1.6K. 1.6K, all of them have badge. See them here? All of them have badge number. A free entertainment to know. But look up on you. You forgot why? I'm not wine for free. I'm gonna broke my foot a man. Sure, if I even want money go, I'm not doing it for free, surely. I'm not entertain them. Show us something. If everybody show us something, we must reach 340 by 11 o'clock. And the party can go on. Yeah. If everybody chose something, we must carry it 340 by 11 o'clock and the party go on. If I even 2 do not want and add something I'm going to do, let's go. 340 and the party must go on. Me not dance free. If everybody if everybody chose something, we want 38 diamond. If everybody chose something, we must reach 340. So the party can go. I not do nothing, you mad? You must be crazy.
Stop chatting and come and go fuck already. No make sense. Stop passing, you know, answer my message. Your pussy good and I know what in a sense. When I come in on your face and fucking up your edges. Your pussy fatty, only cock and just a penny. You call and you text me. How you dead on around the next bitch. I'm be out of the place. You know, man, say I get already and you
not get nothing. Me not get nothing to talk to me. I call you. But I'm going to call you and strip my clothes naked. They better serve me half better. Not look good. 1.6K, we can't get nothing. 10 months already. Fix a ring light, good. Chart, how much we are look? We are look. Bomba, what this here? Yeah, man, I restart, man.
Hey, Warren, I put Tamara already. Jesus Christ, chat. No, put Tamara and Jules. Jesus, Tamara and Jules, not the bunny, you know? No, sir. Tamara. Team, I'm gonna tell you something, and I'm gonna be honest with you. You see, Tamara and Jules, them have to day apart of everything what we are doing. Why? Those are two main platforms that push your content. Yes, when I say there's a lot of supporters that come from over those platforms that come support me. So when I have to say, all right, Jules now send me a lion or Tamara now send me a lion. But them invite people to them live, them send people for me live. If anything me I do, them find people, them help out a whole heap. Yes, what I say? So them have to be a part of them push your content. If we want back it, if them dead. Yes, what I say? So no matter what we are pre, we have to have them a part of we thing, bro. They are one of the main, two set of the main girl them for my team. Other from me support of them will make the team be where them be today. Tamara and Jules are two of the main people them that cheer you too. But all I know, at me have Nad's life, you have a whole heap of different life, and a whole heap of girl, whole heap of female, you have top girl, you have a whole heap of female with me respect, with support, with Nad's, everybody we go live. But me I say the two main platform them. Here's what me I say, the two main platform. Nad's there I say no, because Nad's is more of a sending gift supporter more than a live personnel, if me I be honest with you now. Yes, what me I say? Something there is more of a sending gift supporter. Me nah lie, when Nads we pull up on me live and Nads ever there, anything top, he send gift. Yes, what me I say? Nah, I say Jules them not do see me know. You see, but you know you have people in a different category, like you know them. And then you have clippings and all of them people. But everybody gonna get a chance, you know. We there in a team, we not gonna nowhere, you know. Remember we have family, you know, we there so we stay, you know. You see what me I say, and I like we are going nowhere, so everybody gonna get a chance. So me I say, even if you no name no dep on the team, you no know say me nah forgot to know. Never me nah forgot to know. Believe me. If family big, you don't have to understand. A whole heap of doogle no go on with and all of them thing. Yes, what me I say? Whole heap of doogle and them something they will go on with. So a whole heap of youth ban. A whole heap of with them out. You see it? But I love that. And we have the last two names. So I just throw it out there. Team, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna do all this, man. Precious and Kerry Dele, man. Precious Dele. Put Kerry with. Who put Kerry with? I think I Kerry already. See Kerry, yeah? And she's royal. See Precious, yeah? Precious Dele already. Give me two more names. Well, I know. Tani did it already, man. Joel, and Yes We Can. Joel and Warren. Warren are there. Warren supposed to be there. Alright, we have put Joel and Warren for now. Joel and Warren for now. Team, yes we want to, yes we can. A long time I see Joel still in a team. We are work with the people in there. We are work with the people in there. See what? No man, China cake, Jesus Christ. Team, some.
I'm not the first in my dream. It's not the first.
The party. The party cannot start without the 35K. When we reach 340, we work on that 60 part up live. That's why I go to 100K likes. No look good. Shanice, how you stay? Sometimes I feel for more black chosen by Yahweh. Shanice, try to want some galaxy. We are look 35 galaxy. Anybody in the house can fix that problem in the chat? Power tap. Somebody must pass through. Show the light to the Sean Crasburn for me now, please. Shanice, thank you. Who else can throw 2 galaxy? I pay sliding and nothing. Tita come, Tita beg one push the Tita. Tita can let me 2 push. Let me 1 push, Tita. Me nah stress you. Want to start the party. Party can't start until reach 340. Thank you for the galaxy, good girl. Party can't start until reach 340. See there? We don't reach 340 yet. If one girl send 2 galaxy, we good. Tweety bird, or you stay Tweety bird, and I get Their father want me.
Phenomenal, thank you. Babes, I pray. Who you love more, me or cigarette? Who you love more, me or cigarette?
I give what you want.
Mom, I just come to ask you a question. Who you love more, me or cigarette?
Akeem, what do you want?
I just want to know who you love more, baby. Me or cigarettes?
Akeem.
Huh?
Cigarette can't fuck me?
I just want to know. I can't know.
What you want?
I can't see it from right as well.
No, I'm sure you know. Nah, but nice. Trying to hand that vibe. Nobody with them, sit with them.
Alright, don't want to make a show up on the live. Can't make nobody see my property. No, I have to shut up.
Go on, baby.
Wow, I'm just here.
That's what the people have some foot can go so. One at a time. Over here. A party me I keep where you want. Yeah. I can go up in my couch and sit so. And then bump on it. You can do a lot of things. What you want?
I prefer your boom on it, baby.
Me know what you see my performance.
You have on the tights?
No, me I show you property. Me I sell
Maybe see what you have on under the screen.
I will show you no.
Alright then, no dance now, go on.
Me I sell your property out. Anybody have a property to buy?
John, baby, you rose to me. You rose to me.
Wow. Chat me my 1942 me I drink what is it?
As you say, boy, I gonna sell out my property. Remember when we are going downtown? I'm gonna say, babes, we used to sell peanuts. Here, babes. No, tell me what you say.
Well, pussy.
Yo, me no want no slippers I used to sell buff, you know, my girl. You used to sell buff for you?
Babes, check my rap sheet, it clean. Ask them about me. Why you think me can go back and my community and walk like a dog?
I joke me and make babes. You know say every woman sell buff still?
Me not sell none.
If I not directly or indirectly.
Come here, baby.
Alright then, me gonna ask you something.
Yeah.
When me something there, me I ask you. No man, every woman sell buff indirectly.
Not me.
Alright, me I ask you a question.
Maybe in or out directly.
Easy no man, babes man. Easy no man, me I prove it to you.
Prove it to
show
me.
you. Yes,
Prove
man.
it to me.
You there with a man. Me and you there. Me and you there now.
Yeah.
And all me I do, I just bust out your slippers. All me have to offer, I just bust out your slippers. I just fuck you go, fuck you come. That's what me I say. There's never a time when me can put up to my responsibility and fulfill your needs. That's what me I say. You would have just take raw bust out slippers, so? Well,
Come here.
ask you the question then, no, can you used to take raw bust out slippers?
Come here.
My girl, you used to take raw bust
You
out
have to
slippers.
listen. No, you don't talk now. You don't talk now, make me talk now.
Talk.
Me different from all the rest of the girls them.
No, why you say that?
Listen, because who me like me take. If me not like you can't fuck me.
But
If me
the
not
same so the whole like girl them.
Listen, no.
How you take, babes? Listen to me. No, the girl and thing change up now, you know. Listen to me. A girl and thing change up, you know. But I feel like say all when the girl them are or now, babes. Me can tell you say. You see certain man can't get them girl you fuck. You say if a girl them not rate babes, you could have your money.
No want your money.
Easy, no? I tell you. You could have your money till you're sick. You could have your money till you're sick. You see them your girl you nowadays.
When I don't talk, let me ready for
Yes. Me now say you have 1 and 2 girl when we bite them teeth and do certain things. Me now say that, you know, but you see girl them nowadays, babes, if they don't like you certain way, no care how you're famous, how much money you have, they not run no fuck on you. The girl them nowadays be, remember say girl them a fix up themselves and
You
look
don't
good.
talk now.
Listen
You
to
don't
me
talk
now, my
now.
girl.
Yeah, listen.
If man, the girl them a fix up themselves and a look good now. The youth them, you remember when a big man alone did have money? The little boy them start have money now. More you know that. The little boy them, where them actually like, start have money now. Yes, what me I say? Because I know what this thing. So me I said that for say this, babes. Girl them, if them not like you, another man out there where them like, we have money, them will deal with no business where you have.
You don't
the
talk.
girl them, if them not really like you a certain way, then nah, fuck you.
You don't
and you
talk.
will know when a girl not like you to be.
You don't talk. You don't
Yeah.
talk. Shut up. You don't talk. You see, or desperate.
Me not talk about prostitute, babes.
Okay.
Prostitute different from a warring girl.
Okay.
If we are talking about a warring girl right now, we talk about a warring girl. The warring girl them is I wouldn't like them fuck, bro. Prostitute fuck anybody.
Exactly.
But me I tell you, say the girl them when you classify as warring girl, if them don't like your babes, a girl them not sexing with you. No, me just a
You
talk
don't
about
talk.
regular girl.
You don't talk.
Babes, you win.
A girl with desperate for money will be anything. Me don't know where you talk. Me don't know where you talk about. You know money.
Bro, that's prostitute.
A girl with desperate for money will do anything. Cause she's desperate.
Babes, you hear what me I say?
Listen.
Me not say you're wrong. Listen to me now.
Listen, you have to listen. Not about and the girl them like It's a girl with desperate for money will do anything at all. Cause she's desperate.
Facts. But me I
And some of the
tell
girl
you
them
nowadays,
desperate
say,
for money.
me I tell you, say, babes, nowadays, 90% of the girls them, they got options.
Oh.
To be desperate right now, it's highly unlikely. You can be desperate, yes. But babes, there are a lot of options on these girl tables, bro.
95% of the girl them a broke up option.
What you
Broke girl
mean?
an option, no? You broke. If a man put out 150,000 per day and say, come girl, I'm gonna piss her shit by you. She got because she want money. We are talking about. No girl,
listen to me.
Girl have money desperate.
Me just I tell you, say girl them have morals now. I don't like
them have no morals.
Babes, the girl them have morals
when,
now. I don't like
I saw you tell us them, no girl, the girl them have no morals. Broke girl have no morals. A girl we have money. A girl we have money and morals.
Alright, I'm gonna say something to you. You see the girl them were broke? And they move like them shit can't make party. What you mean them now no morals?
I told them see you, them like hype.
Me, listen to me no man.
Me I tell you me a
long
woman.
before me I do this. Remember you come meet me with things.
I'm a woman.
Listen to me no bro. Long before fame and all of them things them. Babes, listen to me. You see, me tell you what I learn with woman. You say if a woman beg you as a man, say she have all 10 man when she a can out. Cause she can have 10 man when she a can, you know. And she want $5,000. Just say she want 5 grand. You know, say she beg you all of them 10 man there. 5 grand. And at least 6 or 7 out of the 10 of them come through. So you will feel like say, yo, you go style her thing and you not go gear that bro. She have about another 3, 4, 5 man right in the bag of gear that are ready. Yes, what me I say?
We don't know about our throat and our old back.
Listen up. Babes, more you understand. Am I because you just a pre-back then girl. Means that nowadays you babes, and me I tell you say, the girl them know babes, they got morals. You say if them don't like you a certain way. Me not say every girl a prostitute is different from a regular girl, bro. Yes, what me I say? When a girl a do prostitution, babes, is a no, them no business. Yes, them up to anything. But listen to me, baby. Me I tell you, babes. Just let me explain something to you, no, babes. It's not back then. Well, I know me, baby. It's not back then when the young youth them less fortunate.
Shut up.
You see, right now, babes, we have money. Them young girl we like we can actually facilitate them. We can go as much as buy them a car to, you know. And that me assure you. So they will stick around with we that they truly like. You see the girl them back then them used to deal with the big man them where them not really like. We rub up them little old shrivel up balls on them and them thing there. And them take the money. Go mind the young youth them bro. The little youth in a garrison with them like. No the little youth in a garrison. I chop him you know. Him a make money and him a own all 2-3 crown and them little thing the way my rent out and to the
one time change and modern time.
Yes.
Put them like.
Man not piss and shit pan no girl babes.
What do you mean by?
Regular suckwood and them thing they are easy thing if you want.
Piss and shit pan cause them want money. We are talk about.
Me no know well. Me no know where you talk about. Me can't tell you about where me know about babes. You see it? And me know 90% of them girls. Them if you not sell fuck directly, you sell fuck indirectly, bro. Because every time we drop you and it's not no. And there's nothing wrong with that, you know, my baby. Let me tell you why I say nothing wrong with that, babes. We is a thing where, oh, me that put it, you know, my princess. Is a thing where, babes, even you a grow Shanta now, as a young lady, you know what she do with no worthless man.
Yeah, they don't know what this man.
Exactly, bro. You see what me I say?
So you are going now, and when she get listen, if she get in her older days that she want to take, me can't tell her what to take.
Yeah, but babe, you want to see the best for her. You want to see the best for her. So you are gonna try tell her, so my girl, they with a youth we ambitious. We might be see a drive and have him life together.
You only can't
tell her no, all of that babes, you wrong as shit. Listen up, you wrong as shit. I go tell you why you wrong as shit. You will set up on data to get hurt by them your youth we have money. Most of them female, listen to me baby. Most of them female babes, where them not understand, you know. Them always want, especially black woman, them always want a finished product. You realize how the white woman them a complain from what they how the man them a use them down here and them something there. A white girl, you know. We see a black man in progress, you know, and pick him up, you know, help him reach where him reach, you know. And when him is a finished product, and Bill have him house and him car, at them time, they them look a fly body girl you want him. Yes, what me I say? A black girl, where her mother not go teach her, bro, a black girl not go tell her daughter to build with a youth, and build with a youth till him reach somewhere, and then when him is a finished product, she inherit everything where she help him gain. Yes, when me I say, but when a man a pre say, yo, that girl ain't help me gain shit, you know, she can't get nothing from me, and me now make she gain nothing out of me. I just saw it go. Me and you meet, my girl. Why you think you love me so? Eh? Yeah, you didn't meet me as a finished product, but me know what me want. Yes, when me I say, and me and you build together. You see, any girl me get off of this, me sorry for them. You see it? But me and you build together, we end up build as a. Yes, when me I say, so if you say to me, call me tomorrow, you say to me, say, Akeem, I can beg you $1 million. Me feel so obligated to give the $1 million. Because of me and you build together. So me can actually accumulate that $1 million. So if me have even 10, me feel so obligated to give that one the way you ask me for. If it's a normal girl ask me for that, babes, me I tell you, dog, me am her supper. Cause she never get it. And I just plain truth, bro. Because most of them girls, them don't want bill with no man. Them wait for your man to have finished product, bro. And then them want enter in them life. Me know enough of you have gun me out in this. Because enough time the man them style, you know, when you help them build and them something. But bro, a man will respect you no more. I love you no more. You guys build together.
Yeah,
the rest me case this.
I was be the one say build with a man. On the man, when I try to build with a some coffee nigga. Me I was try to build with a man. So me tell you all mistake. I don't know mistake. Me not judge, me not discriminate. Me take who me like. Money not to involve. Because if you gonna give me money, me no want you. Me have some of me that like the cure them have to give me no want them. I just some mistake. So me can't tell my dad say, oh, take him because him have money. No, because me people who have money, me don't like them, but who me like me take. Who
So
me like me
so how you contradict yourself right now, my girl?
You're not giving a chat.
Me I tell you see what me I tell you. And most of the girls them, I saw them talk like you. You got so many option rows. 10 man will have money and look you. Say if that the man they have one lump in him head and you don't like him like that.
You don't want him.
You never talk to him, so not that me I tell you, you cannot force the girl them nowadays and treat them with your money like how you used to do back then. At different time now, bro. The girl they have their head on them body.
You got them sell front like that. I'm not sell front. I never used to back then. I'm not do it now.
Well,
listen, me think about dirty man and they with him come like him. But did this happen?
So much more than my pocket. Some front me want to buy right now, my girl.
Hey, yo, you don't have to pay $1. I like you. Me so call it 2.
Me have 1,050 babes. How you post
there? No one, no. Me so call it 2 and got all the balls. Free. Come I like you. And come here. Sit down. Come up in the camera more. And for everybody.
I can't hear you there, that's why. You can't.
No. It deep. Them something that deep for me, son of everybody.
What deep?
It deep for me. It deep for me.
What deep?
So call it 2. Deep for me.
Oh, that you talk about.
Your balls deep for me. Listen.
Come know say
I'm not listening, you know.
Me I listen.
Your balls are your 2 and so deep for me. And everybody get it.
Alright, babe, no problem.
So, listen, and everybody get the same blessing. Like, you know, Father God say, and everybody get the same blessing that's deep for me. So if you're lucky, you're special. So if you see Rosalie bend up and turn upon, you're lucky. He's a lucky motherfucker.
So that mean my lucky then, babes?
Yeah. Her Rose. Come here, Boo. Boo, come here. Yes. Come here. You don't want to say this, you know. I'm going to make a short kind of action, you know.
Say this no, mommy.
Remember, see how I say it?
Say it, mommy.
That man is getting balls, goggle.
Yo, my girl. Later.
What? A party me. Mad. I'm the dirty. I'm doing it rotten. Hey. I can't bother with life, you know. Life not nice, you know. I said, nah, I said, Toto in a chat. Hey, performance night, you know, chat power tap. We not getting nothing. Move. I'm calm down myself. I beg to Galaxy. Say Ashley, I look to Galaxy. Anybody have any Galaxy? That's some of the last. Me look how much you want now. Chat want some more Galaxy. I look some more Galaxy. They're on a good mix, you know.
The wicked came to eat up my flesh. They stumbled and
I
fell.
look some Galaxy.
Chance stop, you know what we both do. I mean, you're the cover one, the granny said, feel no friend. The man of water house, and now I'm on the mountain. They get me first girl when I was around 10. Then you tell me about Camilla, but you tell me about well. We enjoy me life, party without them. Cause in the cemetery, you know money don't spend. Not just another man that you feel out then. All the other ones you're there with your fist out around them. This a one that is G-rated. And the grandma too, and she can't do without them. A river full of rum, a cranberry fountain. More city turn up, everybody's spoken. This a loyal up and another one is open. Them a wish to see you a feel for body open. The circle in a mobile.
Still look good, we can't get 3 Galaxy.
She would like to be free. She would like to be free. She want to hold on to the jungle. She want to be humble. She would like to be free. She would like to be free. Come here, then you come on and fuck your boo. Better you fuck somebody. Come here, can I say the boy need it? But can I say your pussy too comfy? Better you fuck somebody else. Come here. She want to be gangly. She want to be gangly.
Like that, come on, I come and ask you.
She want to be gangly. She want to be gangly. Come here. This is why I get here. You know it's still me, the president. Since it's a job free, come show me the evidence. Tight pussy girls ever in a fashion. Always trending. I got me so cocky with passion. Outstanding. Fling the jars away. Fuck her away. She have to come back tomorrow. Fling the jars away. Fuck her away. She
This don't even, this don't look good. This not look good enough. We now work together, you know. To talk on, we can't stay. Come tight and go lie down on my bed, yeah. No for true. Bumbo. Four rows team.
Menunggu hati sampai mati.
Follow. Follow. Focus shot. Chat, we could use a double. Chat, we don't have nobody to help you out. So buy a car, then we don't have one wheel. I pay buy a car to get them step up from now till next year. Our party we can't keep it.
She say I'm not rubbish, she money like a Johnny Cross. She say she don't want to forget to my girl. But I be just sitting there, me say that in the jazz away, fuck her away. She have to come tomorrow. In the jazz away, fuck her away. She have to talk about in the jazz away, fuck her away. Just like a tomorrow. In the jazz away, fuck her away. She said she like to smile. Yeah, come on now, fuck you good, yeah. Better you fuck somebody, yeah. Can I see the boy, yeah. I think I say your pussy too good. Better you fuck somebody, yeah. She want a real gangle, real gangle. She want a big long body, big long body. Call me. She want a big bang belly, big bang belly. She want a big bang boy, big bang boy. Call me. She want a big bang. She said she would die for me. She would die for me. You want a gangle, she said she want a. She said she would die for me. She said she would die for me. Everybody anyway now. Real I know. I know you're gonna rise up so strong with so much power. In the mighty name of Jesus. Anything come near you know in place. Death. Everything I get destroyed I put down on that name. In the mighty name of Jesus. Give me strength like something. Give me strength like something. Give me strength like something. Give me strength. Young girl on fire from the sun, girl, I get wiring. Can't see me outside, I'm for them dialing. Yeah. Rich lifestyle, I got them following. Bad minded, when the glass off spaceship. We are walk with that thing, we are the make it. Pussy them never want man to make it. Every record with them set off to break it. Zero me a come from. Oh look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. I know me a come from. Oh look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now.
Yo, yo. St. Thomas native, look on great, it's the street now, safe in the shake, if you pay, let them make it.
Ashley, conference the call.
With who?
Chastity.
Hey.
Long time over saying this.
Business out here. Want me know?
Let me tell you now a little story. Me have a man, why have a woman who don't know about me. Boy, me know a she, but she don't know me. The body make me happy, do me no own it. This is the original side chick song. Me open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know I wrong, but it never plan. Normally me a wife, me no whole side bitch position. This is not my style and not for me done. Me open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know I wrong, but it never plan. Normally me a wife. Me no like more than if you like me, no forgive. Some I feel a little better if I mean cheat with. When you are the wife, you don't know who else is my freak. Oh, when you're on the side of you, we must everything. Him rate me highly, while me treat me like a wifey. I will respect, non text when you beside me. The only thing I say we know I can't private. And if I sit up and never me, I feel private. But you know me now, I can't trust my girl. Not the type of hurt and can't stop my girl. If I see them together, me and my feelings, but then I'll leave him. This is the original side chick song. Me open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know I wrong, but it never plan. Normally me a wife, me no whole side bitch position. This is not my style and not for me done. Me open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know I wrong, but it never plan. Normally me a wife. A man is always gonna cheat, I benefit him. Give me anything I want, so me not go stress him. If I know who him a fuck and be the victim. Kind of find up from a stranger, me I go let him. And I like me, no know the words. But when I'm hurt, me can't get hurt. We ever apart. It make me happy, so me I go make it work. Me comfortably, but don't me on the first. Special occasions I heard, yeah. Make it facility after the bird, yeah. If me see them together, me and my the original side chick song. Be open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know I wrong, but it never plan. Normally me a wife, me no whole side bitch position. This is not my style and not for me done. Be open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know I wrong, but it never plan. Normally me a wife. You know who the why I touch the phone, come and know him love me, I me know him love she. Oh, me I go with the flow, don't disturb the peace, make it flow naturally. Cause I don't like when I know me well, or what I like. I know me can get it. It make me happy, so me I gotta make it work for now.
Enjoy my last year.
I'm ready right now.
Girl, as long as you're happy, you're
I only know I still I get more. I prefer know about it. These niggas ain't shit still. As long as they happy be good.
Mommy,
Yes.
can we go home now?
We up all night, speaking on the phone bar, cheating. Said she have a man, but you want to leave him. That's why she said she have friends. She said she want she just an artist. Said the photo we can't be friends. How can we treat it our feelings? Look like you need a no replacement. Can we fuck never make a statement? Now we shine every fuck another we know. Me move out of me house and leave you alone. No grass, no green. On the other side, she'll be doing her time. Fuck just tremble. So she open up like a window. We make she feel like a flamingo. We make she dash up the dildo. She no fear use her finger. You say you feel me one. So let me ask you, just bring it come. Me and you feel you so fuck to me son. Children trending and it's making me wrong. She said apart from how you anything goes. Pussy wet up and in it Latin go. Two away I swear but you for a bingo. Two away I lie me I say me single. She open up like a window. Tina skinny like a shingle. Pretty pussy just a twinkle. So our body just a tremble. So she open up like a window. Make she feel like a flamingo. Make she dash up the dildo. She no fear use her finger. Never fuck a pussy like her. This pussy by far. Never fuck nobody like her. She shine like star. Never fuck nobody like her. This pussy by far. Never fuck nobody like her. If she like it, don't give it love. No, like a window. Fruity na ceiling like a shingle. Pretty pussy just a twinkle. So our body just a tremble. So she open up like a window. Make she feel like a flamingo. Make she dash up the dildo. She no fear use her finger. We up all night, speaking on the phone up, cheating. Say she have a man, she wanna leave it. My arms wide, she say she have reasons. She say she cause she's so artist. Say the photo, but can't be friends. How can you cheat and I feel that? Window, like a shingle. Pretty boy, just a twinkle. So I will let it just a tremble.
We have all left for me. Nobody comes down for me. We not put on. We are leave. To today. Debbie!
There was good and evil. We chose good. Why raise the time of low star? Ye sons of men. The rich man's wealth is in the sea.
Burger warmer. Thank you, baby. Trot.
We don't check up this evening. When they never catch your feelings. We might have deal, but you looking at no dealings. When they never catch your feelings. Feelings.
Try me a look post.
I'm right now, just a company. Nobody can stress me, nobody will think I'm calm. Anytime me and you can feel me, pussy for me. Fuck me from time to time, but you don't own me. Me no belong to you, baby. Cause I'm one, I know, I just complain. But no, nobody must want nobody. I want to just your complain. Me belong to you, baby. You with my dog, you just want some pussy. Flip on your complain. Hey. Someone know I share them girl, what do them brother? Yeah, you feel she just a fuck you alone, you look at ya. Look on the shirt for me, I wear, look on them leather, ya. Look on my fucking chopper cars, look on them cheddar, ya. After I'm coming, she go home, you know the regular. Anytime when you fuck around, I got my leather. You wanna see how much you drunk, you know my leg, brother. You wanna see what me get, I read on the liquor red, brother. I whatever. She vex with you and she let out the pressure. Whenever.
Try me a look too,
She takes me on the cylinder. She want me push my car leg, you know. She tell me
Galaxy.
I'm running low down an hour and you're dead, you know. She tell me you have a problem, you know. I know I'm dead, you know. But look afraid, you know.
Try me a look too, Galaxy.
I know I like to just some company.
Thank you, baby.
Nobody can stress me, nobody will think I'll call me. Anytime me and me, I'm trying to pussy for me. Me understand you, girl, you understand me. No one, nobody me just want company. Go easy, go easy, go easy. And anytime me and they come see me. Go easy, go easy, go easy.
Hold on, we are listening to. Alkaline. Hold on, no man, you can't pass a wine for me. Pass a little dance for me. Yes. Right where you there, come on. Hold on, never play the match, no man. Why you being shy?
Play that song for me, Nicky.
Come on, babes, hold on. Just bust one little like, you know.
Alright.
Rosalie, where you there? Hold on. Rosalie. You ready? Let's go.
She a dance with the devil and she know no.
Let's go. Alright, Chad, back to business, Chad. Alright, me and Rosie are gonna do a series. Hold on. When ready?
That me look something.
Alright, Chad.
Chad focus. Go put my chair. Chat. First double.
Whatever. I wonder where some y'all are study wrong here. See them argue over man where them a share. See them a worry but when this y'all we are.
Chat first, give double.
Sometimes it's sorry for this when them a wow. But y'all from your conscience
Chat
here.
walking.
Now when you love make me hear. So good is some problem. So me left idiocy of them. Me too cute for me so blended. So tell a girl she pick up.
Chat we have to reach out some kind of party now. Keep it tonight. Me not keep no party. Come go my babe, my love. Don't sit on me. We look 80K for go our bed. Chat we have to play. We play on the time street. I'm a guan. We look 400 diamonds on the boat, chat. Call it a night. Yeah. If we get 400 diamonds on the boat, chat, we call it a night. 9 purse with a rose. We call it an avenue. We have to work together upon the times 3. We look 400 diamonds on the boat, chat. Use the first gift times 3. We want to keep 1 hour party. First gift times 3, if you use the times 3 my side, wheel and not money gonna do on a post right. Come on my side, triple chat. Yes, Maki there. That's we work together, help out Maki. More turn on about the music chat, work together, see Earth there. Work together, chat. Chat work together, we can help out. See Twiggy there. Chat work, Bumbo Clad, chat, watch ya. Chat help! Chat! Help on the chat, we never post. Jesus Christ, me that me. Can't go further. Chat snipe! We can't sing the song. It's not look good. Jack pair gloves, Jack pair gloves. Chat will look 70K, Jack pair gloves, chat. Jack pair gloves, chat. Chat with no gloves. We can meet out on the crossroad.
know in a excitement. Them you free and no one on the beside them. Some girl hype on me, some man hide them. Now no problem.
Twiggy, where you stay? Chat gloves. Click on the click on the gloves and come on a chat. Chat shoot.
That's right. When we go shopping, we don't look on the price. I get a struggle for we get it in a one night. Warm up right, no one may hardly abide. Come on, come in here, girl, we're nice. Nice. I wonder where some girls are be wrong here.
Chat got more gloves.
See the one where we go when it's yellow. We are on us, we say them eat, we do them here. They got a like me, see them be wrong there. Sometimes it's sorry for this, so them are wow. Important girl from your conscience clear. See the one you love, make me hear. One of the least, we turn them like cheap. Till we ready now, it's not neat.
Chat gloves. Chat snipe, no chat, snipe, no chat. We can't reach out, we don't have a post. We don't have an Insta, so that chat snipe. Charge up one more gloves. Chat with another more gloves, another glove. Chat gloves. Chat with another, we want another glove. Chat with another more gloves, team. Still look good. Now we can't help out my can Twiggy. Someone who want to leave me pill him, no one go on banana night. Yeah. See a black one no want to slump on me. Come on and shoot me can't stay. We can't snipe. We lose. That look good. So we have to work together. By the tank, you know.
From your conscience clear. See now when you love make me hear. Me worry about the coming up, God not the coming up man. Worry about the make me say one of the chosen one. Me no worry about you who look me up for me. Worry about man, you're wrong. Excess body we not carry. So tell a girl about me, she not be worry. If I leave, we take a man for your name, but me.
Nah. Chat, we have to just reach out and work together with our galaxy. By the tank on so much. They weren't bring her into the dance here. Just we don't have two posts.
I wonder where some y'all are study around here. See them argue over man where them are share. See them worry about when this girl we are and us say they need to do them here.
Chat first gift triple.
I like to see them be round here. Sometimes it's sorry for this where them are.
Chat first gift times 3. First gift times 3. Come on a team. Chat first gift, we not gonna wear a pussy and a come on a chat. Still look good. Chat.
That's right. When we go shopping, we don't look on the price. I get a struggle for we get it in a one night.
Overbook right now, I'm me hardly advice. Come on, phone me down the night.
Nice. I wonder where some girls study around here. See them argue over man where them a share. See the one worry about when next girl we are and us say them eat we do them here.
Next triple chat.
They got a like me see them.
Have to help out my team come.
Sometimes it's sorry for this so them are wow. Girl from your conscience.
Chat come.
See the one you love make me hear. Man of the least, we drag them like cheap. Till we ready now it's not peace. Man of we coming up them wicked man. We are no where we no idiot. Leave me up roses, cars and Cuban cigars. We get hit with lawyers and demons. The kind of color this want me and him power. They say easy not that you want take it too far. I wonder where
Chat 9 rows.
See them argue over man where them a share. See the one where we go when next girl we are and us say them eat we do them here. They kinda like me see them be round here. Sometimes it's sorry for this so them are wow. Important girl from
So I'm gonna use the times 3. Triple chat. You want some help? Chat triple chat. chat. Chat triple. Come on, a team. We have a post. Juicy Fred, thank you. Come on, a chat. Help out now. Who wants some help? We have nobody else for the times 3. Triple chat.
No, you know you're flexible. You feel like you want to fuck. Bump around, you walk around. Then over now, if you touch it out.
Tell me what's up, Epsi Warren, read help on the chat. Snipe!
Have you ever done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? Right at the cool breeze. Stand by your pom-pom cheek. Feel it. No, I've no fear. Girl, I'll take you there. No, I've no fear. Girl, I'll take you there. Pretty like Betty Davis. Bright up with the light, see a beat. Drinkers and animals with their training.
The back gloves.
Rain start here bartender. The umbrella pan a glass for the lady. Margarita is our favorite. She take 100 hours if they didn't be a team. Nah, lie, you look good. Bump around, you walk around. Then over. No, fit touch it out. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want to fuck. Bump around, you walk around. Then over, no, fit touch it out. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want to fuck.
When I gloves shot, me now still soon and again.
Fucking inspirational. Everything in life just takes time. Going down, hang down. 2016. Everything in life just takes time.
Tap in on the gloves. So 9K for Richard. Run a glove shot. Gloves.
She said, you can go in the settings, take a little time. Take a little time, things take a little time. Say your body, we can go and fix that the alkaline. Just a little time, things take a little time. She said, we never talk your body, get it out of your mind.
Chat with that. We're on the Insta Stella. 2 posts.
Just a little time, things take time.
Right.
Baby, your boom boom, I give it. Hear you, see your beam like my feel it.
Can't stop chat. Pure wicked art.
Now we fucking every day and every day. Can't believe how it is. Your pretty thing was the sweetest. And your time from fitting. Now we fucking every day and every day. Just a little time, take a little time, things take a little time. She said, holy good simple, I'm coming on my time. Just a little time, things take a little time. She said she never supposed to even have the road with you, my mama. And you say time, things take a little time. So be ready to go up in your lips one time. Just a little time, things take time. Let's run up. Since when you get so freaky, I don't know. Time you couldn't talk them things around you. You need the actions and don't go now. No, don't pack it like you can't control them.
Chucky, take care, go on Insta Stella, please. Chucky, maybe go on Insta Stella, my baby. Chucky's not look good for injury. Maybe for me look up pussy whale for. First gift times 3. First gift times 3 chat. First gift times 3. Hello, what? Chat with the elbow. Chat with a recharge, you are trying to go there.
With a blood, can't get me no love. Come and fuck and pull a girl. Going fast and slow down. You did a fuck you and fling it on pull down. Them a blood that girl you don't know how. Fuck on the wall down. Going fast and slow down. You did a fuck you and fling it on pull down. Pussy good mood and give the thing you like.
Chat will look some on the double. 9 roast chat.
You are right, so I have to slip aside. Why am I gonna fuck you with the Glock to look the killer line? Feel like I'm a rich when between the dimes. They do all the things that would turn in a paradise. They didn't even know the pussy that can change your life. Just to make it look right. So I am shy, but the cocky go crazy. They love it when you can't perform, play my back.
Chat focus.
It's like Louis Vuitton, license. Make one fuck a new one since steady. Anytime when you ride the basement, bubble and watch in the leg. After the club, she has swallowed some berries. You throw up that sex, yeah, you know, but me alone, man. You still don't fuck them, like shit, we're asking out the pussy for the done. Yeah, woman.
Chat, me could use a double team. Chat, but if you use a double, come on, chat. I can pay fast people left. I can't work out with this. John carried my bed. What can't get to Galaxy? Nobody with a little post? Still look good. We not play. I forgot leave. Why? We not on the globes can't drop and try chat. We took 1942. Dan Julio. Drop our gloves, team, I could try.
And if you ever get trouble, me have to kill you and make them up for fighting. Head down, many one. I was square and whole like kill you and them up. Green like green. Skin out your
We're not a glove.
You a pussy that a gunshot. When I'm from me, I was full of a tough chat. If you slow, you know for broke cock, come on me. Right panic, but it don't stop so sloppy. Get me time deep shot. All the box on your jaw, cause you love chat. I'm a rough man. I love that baby. So make it bounce, make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake, make it shake, make it shake, make it shake. I don't care to it, come on, that fountain pussy as movie.
Not a glove shot.
Make it bounce, make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake, make it shake, make it shake, make it shake. I don't care to it, come on, that fountain pussy as movie. Come, you get drip up for your puppy, your phone. Your pum pum now, you like drip up, bitch, one money, I'm one, you're come. Your bills paint up, here you go. Round of applause for you.
Nah, tree Galaxy.
Round of applause cause you are right now. Your style. Some kind of can make you full of saliva. So make it bounce, make it bounce.
Chat, on the gloves or chat, we have 2 Galaxy, we have a post.
So make it bounce, make it bounce. Make it shake.
Yeah, 7 or 11.
Tight to what? No one feel for that tight to what? I guess good and I'm high for what? Most of the cocky and lies are the pussy and I'm high for what? But because you're so me cocky while you try to. Oh, she said that me and that, she like good. Yeah, I said it fuck like when you likes to over. You dream this all your life. You come home tonight. You have to remedy for me honey. Got well as tsunami for your pussy so time. You dream this all your life. You come home tonight. You have to remedy for me honey. Got well as tsunami for your pussy so time. Girl, if you fuck you up, make you can't walk. Cocky in your mouth, make you can't talk. Your pussy tight, nothing can't pass. Sugar feel every punch you like.
Stop it up. Don't do all of me boom boom fat. Do like a PS side, so we could do inside. sailing between my thighs. Move right from sex for right. Wetter than the ocean with the tide. Can't go around, I'm in the back to revive. So baby love, be my love. And I need that good cold body. Fight a pussy when make it come right back. Never get like that like me.
That's the girl go. Hey, Bugatti man. Bugatti man.
Under pat not deep. So I run like boat and truck. And me have good comfort. Me see the blessing, holding from a kitchen. Saving from past pussy when the pressing touch you make you feel good. Slap your lips, don't fat you good as first. You excite me like action shows. Stick with your true highs and lows. Not check the silent and
alright, go on it.
me want me to call game, she's gone. Big thumbs up, so you like the throat. When you want come on, like throat. Me have something for your boss bout. Lost for freaky me like a joke. Fight big on you sometimes, stay tight, so me give some trouble. But I'm paradise inside, and me boom boom comfortable. Regular, so baby love, be my love. And I know that good comfort, come back, pussy when make it come right back. Never get a girl like me say yes my love. But you love me, dirty and fuck under pat not deep. So that run like boat and truck, and me have good comfort. Yeah, baby love, you my love. Never get a girl like me. I shouldn't say DJ.
Yeah, I'm listen about the leg. Now wash my foot to like on my bed. Ow. They got killed me now. Try me look some galaxy.
Me bend over, make you stop it up. Time to all of me boom boom pop. Do lick up your size and could do inside that me darling and you roll up. You see I run between my thighs. Move right from sex for right. Wetter than the ocean with the tide. Can't go around, I'm in the back to revive you. So baby love, be my love. And I need that good cold body. Have a pussy when make it come right back. Never get a girl like me say yes my love. But you love me, I'm dirty and fuck under pat not deep. So I run like boat and truck, and me have good comfort. Yeah, me see the blessing, holding from a kitchen. Saving from past pussy when the pressing touch you make you feel good. Slap your headings, don't me fat you could I swear so you're swelling. You excite me like action shows. Stick with your true highs and lows. Not check the silent and 16 toes. So say love it when me take a game, she's gone. Big thumbs up, so you like the throat. When you want come on body hot like throat. Me have something for your boss bro. Lost you freaky me like a joke. Fight big on you sometimes, stay tight, so me give you some trouble. But I'm paradise inside, and me boom boom comfortable. Regular, so baby love, be my love. And I know that good comfort, come back a pussy when make it come right back. Never get a girl like me say yes my love. But you love me, I'm dirty and fuck under pat not deep. So that run like boat and truck, and me have good comfort. Yeah, baby love, you my love. I don't fear, never get a girl. I shouldn't say DJ
The wicked came to eat up my flesh. They stumbled and fell. Shan't stop, you know what we.
No more change.
Show me. Baby, don't want
here I go again. Another folk song, but my surely cocky put in the brain of this. And it could be a bit of them. My man, the juice quench thirst. I'm not innocent. But we just a time on lines, so trying to take offense. Chat no more in the life for me, pick up keep it again. You know, no change, I change my God, you're full of sins. Come and make my blessing if I want revenge. Show me that one to suck your dick out when the world ends. I'm blowing my pussy muscle cause it's full of strength. Ready to rock you like a boat on the water bed. So tell me how you feel about that. Never know what's what. Ready to carry a meaning me, oh God. I feel like I'm bossing on my belly, that's bad. But this time we have to connect it right that. I'm a crazy feel your top serious and never tell you the truth, you are my best boyfriend. Move your right shoe, is a baby me a miss. Pull up outside, let me catch you on the fence. Was sex hard, was sex turn up. Happy please show your sexy chest, take your shirt off, baby. You took it far, I'll take it further. Like when I see me and tell you straight up. You're more bigger than your money, that's a turn on. Why you surprise me? You're a fast learner. You treat me nice, but I know when to turn up. You are the right one, that's when I claim you up. But just send me a pic, tell me you're looking at it. Make a finger for a play, that's taking a tip. Nobody with the FaceTime run, come here with it. So tell me how you feel about that. Never know what's what. Ready if you carry a mini me, oh God. I feel like you're bossing on my pussy, that's fast. But this time we have to connect it right that. I'm a crazy feel your top serious and never tell you the truth, you are my best boyfriend. Move your right shoe, so baby me a miss. Pull up outside, never catch you on the bed. I'm a crazy feel your top serious and never tell.
One bookie.
Hey babe, what's up?
One friend, how are you? You look so. How are you?
Yeah, I don't have no friend.
No.
It's your first news story.
Kyle.
What you say?
Me and my friend. Me let him like Pizer.
Oh wait.
Me never tell you that. One more I can't see you. Then come here, bookie can't sell some more than one rose.
But we don't hear you call me name since night.
Sam, how me I call him fam?
Okay, yeah, watch it. Yeah, sweet, yo. You're good.
Come over there, come say more. It's a papa show. Move.
Brother, me I watch me I listen to see you call me name and me I watch.
Boa.
Nothing but going like you know see it, you know.
See your arms those. Bookie warmer.
I saw you call me.
I'm a friend.
We there, alright?
Oh, things. That's a friend.
We there eat crab.
Me too.
Well, you told me you say we have things in common.
We have nothing in common, Bookie. You need to stop.
Alright.
What kind of crab did I eat? Land or sea? Land or sea?
So come back. One mega chance.
Land or sea?
Land.
Get me too. Me too.
Let me tell you, man. See, watch out.
I don't say, But how two crab did I eat?
You have a mash up 2 more when we done.
You cook it?
Yeah.
My babes buy it for me, 2 land crab.
So you could have just said, you get 2 crab or you have to say
No, I have to. Listen, you're not gonna mash up. My relationship book, I'm not in it. My baby bought me 2 crab. Listen, you need to stop.
Alright.
Okay. Can we be friends?
Nothing good with that.
Okay. I'm serious because I want to be your friend.
Yeah, when I see everything rules, I don't care what.
Okay. The old things.
Things good, man, you know. When we don't want to go wash off, you look at tail,
I don't give a fuck. They ask you shit. But you do it. What? Exactly. We are telling me that for. You need to stop, Pookie. I want to be your friend. You need to stop. Okay. I am not single. Don't push it. Look, I don't have to block you.
Alright.
Okay. So what's up?
Stay easy, my friend.
Okay. I haven't seen you from the other day. You just come on me and send me 1 rose.
So many busy, you know.
Doing what?
Last night. I'm busy last night. I catch crab.
It was raining?
No. Maybe not catch up one leaves.
Like how many?
Not everything.
But like 9 or 8?
About 8.
Oh, okay.
It was it. See, like when you come there, hot.
Oh my God.
Cammy, what's up? How are you doing? Huh? You like when they're spicy? So how the crab eat today?
No, I got patty before.
Huh?
I got patty before.
Okay.
One black the person here.
Please, one match from Syria. Please, one. I'm
Jump,
sorry.
book him, come on, black him.
Please,
You gonna jump?
Yeah,
please,
so I said. I don't see this thing. You cook it with a lot of spice?
Yeah. Olive and pepper, you know. No.
They're from Black River side.
Eh?
Black River side.
But there's something go catch crab?
I'm asking.
No, there's something catch crab.
Where?
Negro.
Ooh, it was in the grill. Oh, that's nice. You know I got family in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, he did that tell me that there.
Yep. I'm drinking Danula 1972.
What? So what you gonna do in that?
We'll have to tell you that.
That's not true. Shit, I almost messed up again.
Exactly. You keep pushing us and beginning to stop, Bookie. I told you to stop.
Alright, sorry about that.
It's 1972 though.
Okay. Storyline what? Taurus, what you do with it? Don't get off.
Because you're funny.
Oh. I can feel tipsy.
No question me.
No, me just ask.
Ask,
Me just ask my
no,
friend.
Bookie, you ask too much questions.
Let me
I
ask my
told you.
friend Tipsy.
Yes, your friend is tipsy.
Okay, that's all. Okay. So like when me and friend we can go out and anything there.
No.
Then what kind of friendship this here?
No. You crazy? No.
No, but me and friend.
No. We can't go nowhere. You need to stop like STOP now. Can't go nowhere.
But hold on. Rose, you say me and friend, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if me and a friend, what you mean say I me go with my friend? Me have girls who are my friend.
I'm not going nowhere with you, Bookie. Don't ask me nothing.
Woman.
Because I got a man.
Alright.
How would he feel?
But you are friend, me not think him also now.
What? No, Book, you can't go nowhere.
Alright then, I understand.
Mm-hmm. Bookie, don't read the comment section to me. I'm gonna block you.
If me do?
Don't read no comments to me. I'm gonna block you.
Me not read no. Oh God, man. Me not even can read good. When the hell me have go in a comment and me can read?
Bookie, I feel like you're a trusted. You're such, don't play with me, Bookie. I'm not nice.
What you know?
Don't make me have to block you like how I block the rest.
What me do?
Okay.
What me do? You know, say that talk to me more better other day more than now. Cause like you drinky juice.
What?
Because you drink. You ain't that talk to me, so what me do now?
I was drinking the other day.
No, you ain't that drink. Me didn't see.
I was.
Must water. Me didn't see you drink no water.
I'm drinking every day.
Alright.
And now I'm kind of tipsy, but you need to stop, Bookie.
Me not do nothing. Me not tell you me not do nothing. Nah,
Do you respect your friend?
Eh? Do what?
Do you respect your friend?
Yeah, me dog.
Okay.
Storyline, what? Anybody send up where you like storyline, you know what to do because you know your mother. Isn't it? Just do the right thing, isn't it? Right. Time get hot. More about crab bush tomorrow again, you know. I'll catch some more crab. Man, them must sell the crab them to Ross there.
How much is for the crab?
$1,000 man I sell a one for.
That's not their book. If you want to fight with the spend $5,000.
Then if me not having me, have you say there, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. If you a pound of sugar there for you not having money. Yeah, alright. It's money I say expensive. Then to thief, the man must sell the thing them to dear. They must sell it one Anansi so dear.
Bookie are trying to break my relationship.
No, me not do that. Me not, me and your friend are just right this way. Me not fool around the thing. No, sir. I would never do that.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Bookie, if you break up my relationship, it's
How me ever break up a relationship? How?
Bookie, stop.
Rose. Me and your friend.
Of course we're friends.
Alright, that's what me make you stay. Because we are friends. Alright, that's how you stay.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Da, 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 baby girl.
You don't need to sing that, Bookie.
What make?
Cause you don't have to.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna sing something different. Hold on.
Like what?
I'm gonna sing something. I'm just in the mood.
For what?
Well, Scott, if you me boy. I'm just in the mood. If me boy.
Do I nobody with me?
Windy. Yo, send back a thing, dog. Send back a thing. Yo,
I pray now.
you come there, dog. Where are you? You good?
There, man. Yeah, man.
Come there, you dog.
You look so black.
Nah, bleach, bro. Nah, bleach. Nah, bleach. No, I'm a friend. Yeah, but you know, I'm work. I'm a friend.
Alright, boy, my there. I'm so spinning black.
What did you say? I mute him.
Eh?
I know
What
you.
did you say, Bookie?
That's
No,
what I'm
he
sister. You're good.
I'm not asking if you're alright.
You look nice, though, friend. Look lovely.
I them Bookie. Bye.
Look on Bookie.
Don't add them. They plan to break up. You can't break up my relationship. I am to look at you all.
No, so then can't look. We must have done say, I'm kind of happy pan and live already, isn't it? Nothing will happen, man. Nothing can happen. But right now, I'm just in the mood.
I'm just in the mood for something sweet. You ready for me, baby? Baby. Just come pop on a Brazilian. Hold up, it's too tiny.
Come, let me ride and whistle. Come on, I try to come on, you can pick me one some juice and something. Yo, Chacha, go get some juice for him tomorrow. Nobody put the live no have lime. Come on, some lime. If I ever make one container of juice for you, you will serve him for a week. We don't have no lime. What's a lime? Yeah, me I buy more lime.
Chat first gift times 3.
Guys, gonna send when you can send, please.
When I'm on God, when I'm a Galaxy chat.
Oh, you're so nice. Ooh.
Choose this side, this chooser. earn. That's what you deserve. Yeah.
Who was shot?
Come on, my fucking right now, money. Scream for me name and call it. Love you when you're falling.
Triple chat.
Right now, money. Come on with a real G. Girl, a pretty bad look like a Riri. Me no watch pussy, no beers, so me tell her the truth, and you want me TV. Yeah, love in the city, don't mind.
Jamaican, thank you.
Give me outside. Why every time we fuck you, I don't know, feel like girl, you're pretty, don't hide. But take your time, don't hide. You don't have to call it.
Man, I'm on the gun chat.
Right now, in the morning. Scream for me name and call it.
Man, I'm on the gun chat.
Come on, fuck it right now, in the morning. Such a come.
Galaxy.
So she can't bother with love.
Chat, we are look 2 Galaxy.
So you never she choose this, yeah, this chooser. So she wanna fuck on you, make her feel unfeel, cause she earned. That's what you deserve. Yeah. But take your time, don't die. You don't have to call him. Come on, fucking right now, in the morning. Scream for me name and call it. Love you when you're falling. Come on, fucking right now.
Chat, come for some donuts.
Come on with a real G. Girl, a pretty bad look like a Riri. Me no watch pussy, no beers, so me tell her the truth, and you want me TV. Love in the city, don't mind. Give me that the outside, give me outside. Why every time we fuck you, I don't know, feel like girl, you're pretty, don't hide. But take your time, don't hide. You don't have to call him. Come on, fucking right now, in the morning. Scream for me name and call it. Love you when you're falling. Come on, fucking right now, in the morning. Such a so you never she choose this, yeah, this chooser. So she wanna fuck on you, make her feel unfeel, cause she earned. That's what you deserve. Yeah. So take your time, don't hide. You don't have to call him. Come on, fucking right now, in the morning. Scream for me name and call it. Love you when you're falling. Come on, fucking right now, in the morning.
Chat, first gift times 3.
But honestly, like, you make me so wet. Like, it's crazy. Like, I just want you to choke me out.
First gift times 3,
and
chat.
fuck me.
You got the money going?
Suck your dick on me.
Khadija, out go.
I'm crazy. I know this.
Something about my side, yeah. I think it's nothing in my wife, yeah. But if you don't want to keep up with the six, got me with my knife, yeah. Something on the side, yeah. So why you tell me I know I got it? Give me one time. You want the vibes, girl, you're trying so tight. Me get on it, tell you, come up me back, you get on to no level. You're fucking your regular, never done that a level. I'm if you tell you, me say I'm if you tell you. You're really calling, I'm like daddy, so many things that you wanna tell you. Like your pussy's so tight, baby, I gotta tell you. I wanna tell you, baby, I'm if you tell you. I don't fuck with our money. Tell me what you want from me. You say we send a picture for your phone and pick on me, but you make me put the love it on me. Oh, what's your baby, baby? One on the mount, put your castle, put it for me. Whenever they say pussy, she hot. Me rich and famous, she not give a fuck. She even call me regular, and that turn me on, so man, you're trying so tight. Me get on it, tell you, come up me back, you get on to no level. You're fucking your regular, never done that a level. I'm if you tell you, me say I'm if you tell you. You're already calling, I'm like daddy, so many things that you wanna tell you. Like your pussy's so tight, baby, I gotta tell you. I wanna tell you, baby, I'm if you tell you. Last time you come up in the yard, no I'm gonna drive, but still when you're the punch, you say, come for fucking dad. Drink and smoke, dark and laugh, and I don't call your phone, I can be a good man. You're hooked on that thing, every day so you want coding. Tomorrow make the perfect team. One on a wife, girl, and tell you moving. You're trying so tight. Me get on it, tell you. Come up me back, but you can't do no level. You're fucking your regular, never done that a level. I'm if you tell you, me say I'm if you tell you. You're already calling, I'm like daddy, so many things that you wanna tell you. Like your pussy's so tight, baby, I gotta tell you. I wanna tell you, baby, I'm if you tell you. Something on the side, girl. You can start with my wife, girl. But do your wife here? Drunk with me, so happy with the knife, girl. Something on the side, girl. Why you tell me I don't want, girl? You me want to. You want the vibes, girl. You're trying so tight. Me get on it, tell you. Come me back, but you get on to no level. You're fucking your regular, never done that a level. If you tell you, me say I'm if you tell you. You're already calling, I'm like daddy, so many things that you wanna tell you. Like your pussy's so tight, baby, I gotta tell you. I wanna tell you, baby, I'm if you tell you.
Okay, superstar, no ungrateful and no leave me, cause I'm trying to talk to you and you're not trying to talk to me, you don't understand. Okay, brother.
When you walk cry out, remember your life when you don't feel like out. The lie they do deep can't climb up. To all your pussy feel very fine out. And your brother know the brother when you pipe out. Cause him sliding when you never let slide out. How much of your brother them a hide out? You better take a brother out and you lie out. My heart now broke you. Fuck you. You fuck up on me too.
That's focus.
My heart now fuck you. You fuck up on me too. You fuck on me too. So watch my gosh, you want to do with me now a chat. See if me now listen when I want me did a chatter. But if she know me, then she know me wouldn't stop her. So even if she have a she done well before me spot her. And she see her money like her and me let's catch her. Catch her, credit. She take it if them did a drop her. Let me catch her, get up my girl. My heart now broke you. Fuck you. You fuck up on me too. You fuck on me too. My heart now broke you. Fuck you. You fuck up on me too. Say you fuck on me too. If I even cost no money, is a girl is happy with my the time on you. Let me find out you are fucked up too.
That double.
If I even cost no money, is a girl is supporting me all the time. Oh you.
6 Johnny can be your one post me girl.
My heart now broke you.
Chat double. God.
My heart now broke through you. Fuck you. You fuck up on me too. You fuck on me too.
Yeah, I'm on the contract.
Shut you off, yeah, like the snakes can know what I'm. You're toxic and venomous. When I leave your love, I'll fuck you forever and ever. Cheat and cheat, never leave go. When I leave you, I'll fuck you forever and ever. Cheat and cheat. Don't believe you. Don't know the way you don't look at the skin. Look how you're dealing. Off like a big in the skin. Them say I have a come on, when you get the feel. Yes, I'm bad, but you don't even know what behavior mean. You are the acting when you want me for door. See, but in the 2-1 bars of you. Love your tongue when you don't want my yo. But you want me to all of you. Fucking forever and ever. Cheat, don't believe you. Can't leave you. Fucking forever and ever. Cheat, don't believe you. Love freaking out. Since say you feel up, come and fling it up. The man need a bubble cherry, you feel the fall. Come skin it up, feel me, make me string it up. We find a diamond in the room, too, we give it up. Hard to find a gem where we can't give a chance. Fuck no, come up and go with the ridiculous. You said it too, we are there for me just. Red light, can't pick it up, so I can't leave you. Fucking forever and ever. Don't believe you. Fucking forever and ever. Never leave go. Girl, if I could show you all.
Thanks, Shot.
Like a snake skin, then I would have. You're toxic, venomous. Girl, if I could show you all. Like a snake skin, you're venomous. Fucking forever and ever. Never cheat on. Leave Good evening, Mr. Dabbs. Welcome to the party.
Thank you, dear.
Say what you want, don't be first. You want dance, you make me dance. One time, when I'm a real bad girl, them up and link.
Tattoos.
Say she want give me king treatment, she feel kinky. Me never feel like cheap, but she start and fix me. It's like come make you just fly like Gigi. She said she know it on the way. She know it on the way. Say she want the big thing on the way. Community can regret what I got you for. Whenever we keep that peace spontaneous, that pussy can make any man famous. Me know you love it, cocky, but you're too zealous. And you just have to me just to make your man jealous. So tell the girl we shake the trash, she says she fuck. She now we ain't no trust. But till I tell me something dirty, she whisper. She now we ain't no trust. She said she know we ain't no trust. She know we ain't no trust. She said she wanna be queen on the land. Pussy good and nice gospel. From there something you come back to. Think I be gonna know that kidnap you. She said she know you don't know her. Said she wanna be thing under there. That's what we do. So we put her legs in your chandelier. Community making what I can't kill. Fuck. If you plan to fake answer, when you can't first, you girl. If you do it long, so you're making such a dancer, like fuck your feet personal. Pussy good and it's gospel. In front of something you come back to you. Oh God. I'm so sorry, cause me never want nobody, just something temporary. No, me never plan this. God know me, I always just mind my damn business. Baby, I'm my fault and I feel one. Usually, me not give a fuck, but I give one. And I mean that, don't look like me, that's so bad. I tried it down on the line. So you ain't got nothing to say. Too special, you was just another plaything. See you excited, but fit in a big shoes I was faking. But you drive it crazy, but I'm not your lady. Intoxicated, I run that, don't blame me. No, me never plan this. God know me, I always just mind my damn business. I'm gonna feel bad when I respond. Usually when I give a fuck, but we give one. Gonna me that don't look like me, that's so bad. I put it down on the line. We ain't got nothing in common. Boom, 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 get boy, I'm on. Now I got this to see around. Somebody do the one thing. Don't send that text on your phone. You're gonna regret it in the morning.
In the stop down, man, I run me down and I start me too regular. When I accept man, I'm so sorry. Cause me never want nobody, just some temporary. No, me never plan this. God know me, I always just find my darkness fixed. But I'm my fault and I feel one. Usually when I give a fuck, but I give one. And I mean that don't look like me, that's so bad. I brought it down on the run. We ain't got nothing in common. Boom, boom, tell me why I'm on. Now I got this to see coming. Somebody who don't want me. Don't send that text on you. You're going to regret it. I feel too special. You was just another plaything. See you excited, but fit and a bit truth I was faking. Would drive it crazy, but I'm not your lady. Intoxicated, I run that don't blame me. No, me no plan this. God know me, I always just find my darkness. I'm gonna feel bad when I respond. Usually when I give a fuck, but I give one. Gonna be that don't look like me, that's so bad. I put it down on the line. We ain't got nothing in common. Boom, boom, tell me why I'm on. Now I got this to see coming. Somebody who don't want me. Don't send that text on your phone. You're going to regret it in the morning.
Nelson Ravers, what's up? How was you doing, my boy? What is it?
You want to get rid of the crosses?
All on what? I'm here, hon. From where? What's up, blessed? No, come here, come type me black one, you know. Oh, as a type me black one stink. I got no service on my phone. She don't mess with the alpha chick pop pop. Good night, Lady Nicola. How are you doing, darling? At 25 people where watch me, this don't look good. Why? Smile, what's up? You sell we oh bad. Excuse me. How did I sell you bad? I did not sell out nobody bad. But let's not do the bag of drama again. Because it long time, you know, come over here. Mr. Pinky come on me back and say, Rosalie. Jumla no say the Instagram again. I was like, yeah, the Instagram. Watch out. Why is it like cancel on Instagram? I don't know. Come here, or move. It's all blood clot enough. No, what kind of question your blood clot ask that move? Look at you cock self. Like, I don't know, but I like man too much, my favorite in a real life. Thank you, bro. Jody, they would have look so cocky said move so good. I have not clicked my Instagram live in here's suggestion box. Let me see how the suggestion goes. Add me. Jimmy, I don't need to add you. Go away. If you come on my Instagram, what's up, Sashi? Lady Tars was a good night. Good night, baby. Hello, B. What's up, boo? We love you here. I know you do. Remember, I'm on TikTok, and you must know that I'm on TikTok. But it's my Instagram account, baby. We have to see you. Send me here to know. Bookie, where you want?
Me I tell her say me have to go move off of this here.
Okay.
Yes, darling. Me I touch your road.
Yes, friend.
Yes, friend.
Okay.
Ooh.
So you guys follow me on follow my Instagram, Rosalie Best Topic. Our cards is Kelly continue ignore the haters. Okay, my baby. Better nothing but love, Gally. Thank you, Jody. Wow. I'm on Instagram. I never did this Instagram thing a long time ago. And I don't know how it works, but good morning, Shirley. This is not like it's like 57 people. Bookie, go on in the name of Jesus now.
Alright.
Can't put food make my man left me in a mascot. Me. Make sure the combo not jerk up in your head back. What? Make sure the combo not jerk you it. What? Come here. Black. Move. Suck your mama. I'm on board live. You on board live? That's a fucking crazy. You don't know what you're talking about. I don't want to read it. I just love Alkaline. He said something. I don't know what he said. Kind of crazy, you know that. I don't know what he said. Can somebody elaborate what he says to me, please? Because forward more after and build your numbers. Remember you for a long time. God shit. So catch my hair. Sorry, then I misled that I don't need to act, I don't need to do this. I'm June 26th, you gotta be out. I wanna post I wanna change the flyers. Okay, let me unblock him then. Oh my god. Ah! How long can we go live on Instagram? Hi, it's me, myself, hi. How long can we go live on Instagram? Because I've never been live on Instagram for a long time. Me I breathe and still I come skin out. Girl, 1 hour. Oh my God. Girl, you gotta come to my party. It's gonna be lit. It's man about it. Hi, it's man about it. Hello. Hey, Jai. Back to skin. The fuck is wrong with this? I'm gonna upload the motherfucking flyers over here. I'm gonna check the flyers. The fuck? Hey, brown loving. Good morning, ladies. I'm okay.
For 25 years, Digicel has been keeping Jamaica better connected. From late night calls to the text, clicks and moments that keep us close. Celebrating 25 years. Digicel, powered by you, connected by us.
Are you still without electricity after Hurricane Melissa? Keep your lights, fridge, washing machine, and all your 110-volt outlets running with an emergency solar system for just $599,000 Jamaican dollars from Essential Solar. This starter system includes one 3-kilowatt inverter, one 2.5 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, and two 700-watt solar. Delivery and installation included. Conditions apply. WhatsApp the numbers on your screen or visit EssentialSolarSystems.com. Essential Solar. Power when you need it most.
When you save me.